The most convenient way ever to get a closer look at those small things you need and want to be able to see. Sometimes it's a necessity, and sometimes it's just out of curiosity or for fun. But when you can get a super close-up look of objects that you see on a daily basis, you realize how much more there is to things. It seems sometimes there's a whole new world when you can get an up-close view. This Wi-Fi tabletop digital microscope connects to your iPhone or your Android through the free app that you can download. The microscope is small, portable, and lightweight. It has a magnification power of 50 to 1,000 times, an LED light with 8 light settings, camera resolution of 1920 by 1080p, and it gives you the capability to even take photos and videos. It uses a high-performance image sensor to capture the images, and it comes with a USB cable for easy charging and has a 1-hour runtime. It's very easy to assemble. You just connect the microscope to the retaining ring and then tighten the screw. Attach it to the stand after you add the 4 non-slip mats to the bottom of the support plate. After charging, just long press the power button. If you short press this same button, it will take a photo. There is a plastic cover over the lens area, and you'll need to remove that before using the scope. The light adjustment wheel allows you to add or remove light, and there are plus and minus buttons that allow you to adjust the magnification power. Use the focal length adjustment ring to fine-tune your focus. The app is easy to use. You just download and install it and then power on the microscope and connect to the phone. You'll immediately see on your phone what's being magnified. If you need to do some meticulous work like with small computer parts, this would be a great tool to have. Also, you can easily read the dates on coins. You can see the fine print on money or other documents. You can have fun checking out plant leaves and critters you find outside, jewelry, and even remove the microscope from its stand and just check out yourself. Whatever you're looking at, it's going to give you a super close-up view, which is something that your eyes can't do even with the most powerful glasses. Now, once you get the image where you want it, you can easily save an image or even a video with the app. It's very easy to use. You will absolutely love this.